you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you two little simple, quick, easy keto meals that you can make. So you simply take some mozzarella cheese and you cook it on a non-skillet pan just for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then you take the spatula just to make sure that the cheese is cooking thoroughly. In this simple meal, I'm basically making burgers and I'm using the cheese mozzarella as a bun, and I put my burger in my air fryer, as you can see.
Nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me.
Now this step is very simple. So this is how the cheese look after it's been cooking from the skillet, and I'm just going to build my burger. If you ever make some homemade pico de gallo sauce with this burger and this mozzarella cheese, you will love it. It tastes so good, you guys. I ran out, but maybe I'll make my secret pico de gallo sauce with you guys one day. So in this meal, I am basically cutting up some spinach, some mushrooms, and some onions. And I'm basically going to be making a very simple meatball.
But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But you're perfect for me. Rolling, we riding. He like to go inside and I love to go on night and we rock the boat whole side and I love to call your name, baby. I love to call your name.
So I'm cutting up some bacon strips and I'm just chopping them up a little bit just so I can saute in the pans with my onions and my mushrooms and my spinach. So I'm basically adding some beef strips and a little bit of onion into my non-skillet pan, and I'm basically going to stir that up and season to perfection. To make my tender juicy sauce, I'm going to add some heavy whipped cream into the mix.
But you're perfect for me.
I was also making dinner for my partner, so she basically having some cheesy potatoes with some spinach and the mushrooms and the onions. And I just took the spinach, mushrooms, and onions with my cooked bacon into a small bowl. I'm going to mix that up and then add my meat on top. And there you have it, a simple, easy, very delicious keto dinner. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.